Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today, yeah, I know that. So today I'll be playing Roblox with my sister. She's a big noob. Yeah, she's in level 3. She doesn't have Roblox. I'm gonna buy her one time, only one time. She has to buy her own next time.
No, I don't. I have much money, but I don't have
Alright, bye.
much money. Don't take it. Please, oh, you are.
Oh, she made it the first time. Wow, she did it. Alright, bye. Meditate.
Wait, why you left me?
I'm not gone.
No, why are you right
Let me watch. Oh, hacker.
Can you
Oh,
please
and then it's there. Oh, he's a hacker.
I'm coming.
Wow, that's a great outfit. He reminds me of the last guest.
I'm coming.
Yeah, that.
I'm dying.
Oh, that was you.
No, it's not me, guys. My brother's cheating. That was not me, guys.
I just looked at her tablet. She died.
No, it was not me.
What is? Oh, he's flying.
This is
He's
a Betty
floating.
bug. This is a Betty bug in my head.
There's no ladybug.
No, I saw a ladybug somewhere.
All right, let's go. Let's get on with the video.
Can you please stop?
Get this bubble and then go here.
What bubble?
The bubble, get it.
I got it.
Then follow everyone else
Why do we have to get the bubble?
because it give you a lot. Follow everyone now.
You're there?
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
gonna-
go there.
We're gonna die, everybody.
No.
Everybody's gonna die.
Cause we got a lot of air in our tank.
But
I wish this never became lava or something like that.
I'm gonna die.
All right, they're going for it.
I'm just gonna die.
Wait, give me your.
My brother's just waiting there, and I'm just
Yep, I'm just waiting.
and I'm just so
Hmm.
confused.
Oh, she made it. And sounds like she leveled up. Yes, she did level up. She's in level 4.
Yeah.
Can I see it? No, I can't see it.
There's no one.
How we? Oh, there's one.
So easy. I didn't do this one. I did this one. I was playing with my brother this one, but
She died.
it's alright. So
Come on.
last time I'm gonna die again, right?
You think so?
Yeah, because
Yeah, you're gonna die. No,
But why is
not
it?
me.
But who farts?
I don't know. Stop asking me.
Who is doing that?
Ooh.
I think this is a move.
No.
Is there a move? Is there a move doing that?
No. I died. My sister's still alive. Give me that.
Yes. You know why she said give me that? Because she's gonna play. She's just waiting there, right?
Sorry, my bad. I killed her.
No! Why you? Why?
Oh, I know why. Cause I didn't want to be lonely. Sorry, guys, but I did it.
Who did it?
I did it. Oh, the guys are still waiting.
No,
Ooh,
I said
lag.
you did it.
It even said my name right there. Where it says now expecting crystal walls, water.
What is it?
Oh yeah, what is wrong with the level?
It's strange.
Kind of glitchy.
Is it glitch?
He died.
I think.
Was he? No. Was he even paying attention?
No.
Well, I don't think so. He was.
Guys, what is that noise? Weird noise.
Oh, this one's hard. I'm going. No, stay there. Chicha, come here. Come here.
Can you even just help me?
Now,
This is
just
so-
swim all the way up. Swim all the way up. Come on.
I can't swim on me. Swim. 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 You dear. Swim, my dear.
She died. Rip.
I say swim, my dear.
Rip, sister. Where is it? Here it is. Oh, he pressed it.
I'm looking at the rainbow person. Tati?
Hmm?
I'm watching the rainbow person.
No!
No!
I died.
I died, but I'm just watching this person. So I say no because he's gonna always die. So I'm.
Oh, this guy has green skin. Wow, he only wasted 2 Robux.
Look at his rainbow thing.
Oh, he glitched out. He level 30. Oh, that's
Look
good.
at the rainbow
But I see
thing.
YouTubers
Oh,
with
is it-
level 10, 100s. That's crazy. Level 100.
No,
That's
see,
just so crazy.
No, see,
Oh, we're both expecting the same guy.
Oh,
Ooh,
this is. So
I don't like
cool.
this.
I don't like this song. He's gonna go.
Ooh, somebody died.
I'm dying.
Oh! No, wait.
Get
Let me help
here.
you.
She's not helping me. She should stop. My brother died, but I'm waiting here because I don't have much time to do. She's looking at me, right? My brother's just looking at me, but I'm doing so good. I never do this before. Guys, am I doing good?
Yeah, is she going to come and die? Ow! She died.
Oh my
Ooh,
God.
that was kind of sad. Sad how she died.
Guys, this is for me.
No, this video is about winning. Or maybe getting to level 13, something like that. Or maybe just my sister playing Bloodcade. Oh crap.
No.
Oh my god, I almost fell off.
Yes, you almost fell off on the floor because
Well,
we're in the bed, right?
Yeah, we're in the bed.
Because you almost
Oh,
fell.
somebody locked the team.
See?
This guy.
Oh
Oh my god.
Is he dying? That's sad.
Yeah, so sad.
So sad.
It's taking so long. Alright, there we go. This one again, I will die again. No, stay here, stay here, stay here.
Fine. Why I have to stay here forever?
Because you will die. Stand on here. I'm lagging. Kind of bad.
Stand right here. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. I can't stand right here. I will die. I can't breathe. Hey.
Wait, here it is.
I will breathe. I will breathe. Guys, help me. I won't breathe. I won't breathe. I have 1%. Hey, where's everybody?
I think they left you. Oh, no, no, no. No, please, no, please, no, please, no, please. No, please. Darn it. Oh, we both died at the same time. Oh, no, I don't want to tap.
I need help.
Well, guys, I think that will be it for now. So, bye.
No!
And guys, also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification, and give it thumbs up. Goodbye.
And you